I'm feeling bad.
Nice try, Nora. I know you are faking it.
No, look. I have a terrible disease.
Oh, wow. Give her an Oscar.
You are right. I need to try harder.
Oh my God. Nora, stop faking it. The floor is dirty. You are still taking my test. If you don't get up right now, I'm bringing in Ms. Noodle. And you know she gives 3 hours of homework. Mr. Nash, I think she is really broken this time. She is not faking. You are right. What should we do? Should we turn her off and on again? Step aside. I know exactly how to wake her up. Nora, look, it's your favorite pizza. With double cheese and pepperoni.
Did somebody say pepperoni? Give it to me.
Oh my God, it worked. You are a real doctor.
Liar. There's no pepperoni on it.
Sorry. I got hungry on the bus.
I'm going back to sleep. Wake me up when you have actual toppings.
She is possessed. Run for your lives.
Wow, that was a good cough.
Oh my God, I'm calling your parents before you destroy the school. And I'll go out and call for help. Help. We need a doctor and pizza with pepperoni. Wow, that was fast. Do you guys just live in the bushes?
Did someone cry for help?
Okay, I'll try this one. Help, I want pizza and $1 million.
Alex, maybe Nora is really sick. And we sent her to school like this.
No, she is faking it. She always fakes being sick when she has a math test.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Hello? Hello, Mr. McDonald. Hey, how do you know my name? And why do you have my voice? I'm Mr. Nash, Nora's teacher. Oh, Nash. I remember you. Please don't wash me away with a hose again. It depends. What do you want? Nora just collapsed in my class. Did she say she's sick? Yes. She's coughing like a volcano. Oh, she is faking it. No, it's real. Prove it.
Son, where is this dangerous coughing girl?
She is inside.
Oh no. We have to arrest her before she destroys the school.
No, she is my girlfriend. I won't let you touch her.
Oh great, the fake news is here.
I still don't believe you, Nash. Turn on the TV. Channel 4. Okay, fine. But if you're lying, I am bringing the big hose to school. Oh please, not the big hose.
Live from the middle school. A girl named Nora McDonald is coughing so hard that the school is shaking. Oh my God. You just saw everything. And the crazy boy behind me is not letting the police arrest her.
She hasn't brushed her hair today.
Shelley? Well, I think we lost Shelley. That's okay, I never really liked her. She always stole my lunch from the office fridge. Anyway, let's talk about the weather.
Oh my God. Nora isn't faking it.
I told you.
Let's go save her. Oh my God, forget the math test. We have to evacuate.
What about me?
Your dad will come for you soon. Tell him I said hi. And to leave the hose at home.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Okay, SWAT team, get ready to storm the building.
Vroom, vroom.
Don't even think about it, cop. It's my daughter in there.
Man, my nose really tickles. I want to sneeze one more time. And I think I'll do it real hard.
Oh no. Nora,